Welcome to the Academic Tutor and welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Juliana McKelvin and I wanted to take this time to introduce my channel. So basically I'm a midwife by background and I am a midwifery lecturer. I am currently a program lead at a local university and I have been using the Academic Tutor to support students, particularly midwifery students, throughout their academic journey for a year and a half now. And I have been hosting various tutoring sessions online and classes online on how to support students to develop their academic writing. The only issue which I've encountered is that the sessions have been particularly oversubscribed, and I'm not particularly enjoying having to reject any students from joining the classes because I'm full so often. So what I have decided to do is to start this YouTube channel. And the purpose is to start adding different videos on different topics pertaining to academic writing online on a regular basis to support all students. And I want to emphasize that it is for all students, because even though most of the examples which I will be using will be pertaining to midwifery, because I'm a midwife by background, it doesn't mean that the content which will be available will not be applicable to any other healthcare professional, such as nursing, paramedicine, etc. And even now, as part of the academic tutoring business, which I have supported many different health professionals write any essays, dissertations, and this hasn't only been midwifery students, but I had actually quite a few nursing students as well, other healthcare backgrounds. So for this purpose of this channel, any prospective healthcare student or current healthcare student are more than welcome to join and subscribe and help grow this channel. I would love it if you can hit the subscribe button, share this link, ask colleagues and friends to join this channel so that we can grow it together. I would love to hear as well your feedback. I would love to hear your comments, and let me know in the text box below whether there is any particular topic which you would like me to focus on in any one of the videos. I will be uploading different topics on a regular basis, whether this pertains to critical analysis, how to discuss a particular topic, how to structure your work, how to structure a presentation, referencing and how to avoid plagiarism, how to understand the research questions, or how to understand learning outcomes and how to break them down. I will be covering all of these topics together in various different sessions. That is really, in a nutshell, the purpose and the background for this YouTube channel. I'm actually rather excited to be starting this new journey, as hopefully I will be able to reach many more students and helping many more students reach a particular comfort zone throughout their training while they're studying. So yeah, thank you for taking the time to listen, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.